Pollination is a process by which plants sexually reproduce. Many plants depend on animals, particularly insects, to transfer pollen as their forage. Plants attract pollinators in various ways, by offering pollen or nectar meals and by guiding them to the flower using scent and visual cues. Pollination is the delivery of pollen to the female organs of a plant. Pollen is made by male organs of a plant and contains genetic information needed for plant reproduction. Pollen may be transferred to female organs on the same plant or another plant of the same species. As a result of pollination, the plants produce seeds. Pollen can be dispersed by wind, water, and animal pollinators such as insects, bats, and birds. Many trees and grasses rely on wind for pollination. The organ of the sexual reproduction in a plant is called the ovary. The part of the plant that attracts insects and animals to the flower is called the petal. The top of the carpel pistil is called the stigma. The ovules are found inside the ovary. The two parts of the stamen are called the filament and anther. When the flower dies, it becomes a fruit, and the male part of the flower is called the stamen. Germination usually begins when the embryo is exposed to water. When the embryo has no leaves and therefore no means of photosynthesis, the embryo provides food for itself. Photosynthesis is the process that plants use to make their own food. The root is the first structure to emerge from the seed during germination. The leaves open within a few days after the plant emerges from the soil and begins photosynthesis, almost immediately to provide the growing seedling with this new and renewable food source.